Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to use Cash App as a complete beginner. Alright, so let's begin. So, the first thing that you want to do is download Cash App from your App Store. Over here, you will be asked to enter your mobile number or email. You can enter either one, and this will be linked to your account for sending and receiving money. After that, Cash App will send you a security code to verify your account. Then, it will ask if you want to link a debit card. You can skip this step, but keep in mind, it will keep reminding you to add one later. Over here, you need to enter your full legal name as it appears on your government ID. After that, enter your date of birth. If you are under 18, you will need an adult to sponsor your account. Then, create your unique cash tag. This is the name people will use to send you money. After that, enter your zip code and create a Cash App PIN for security. Then, you will be asked if you want to order a Cash App card. You can order it now or later. Over here, it will also ask if you want to sync your phone contacts. This is optional but can make finding your friends easier. Now, let's go through the most common things you might want to do on Cash App. The first thing is sending money. Over here, tap the $ icon in the middle. After that, enter the amount you want to send and click on Pay. Then, search for the person by their name, cash tag, phone number, or email. You can also write a note about the payment. After that, you can choose whether to send money from your Cash App balance or directly from your linked debit card. Then, click Pay to send the money. So that's basically how you can use Cash App as a beginner. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.